I don't know why I'm running, because, but everybody else is. Okay, we got into a queue. Squat guy. It's the squat guy. Yep. So we're in another. This time is a majorly huge queue. Because although my code went green yesterday after being orange or yellow, about 2 hours later it went orange again. And then we just had the instruction about 10, 15, 20 minutes ago to I don't know, we're all running now. I don't know why I'm running, because, but everybody else is, so why am I running? Oh my God. Why am I running? Just because everybody else is. Somehow my wife got me to the front of the queue. So I'm right at the front. So I don't know how she managed to do that, because I was right back there, you saw, when everybody was running. So yeah, it's good. Hopefully this will start at about 2 o'clock to open, and this is meant to be 2 meters apart. Doesn't look it, does it? 2 meters or 1 meter. 1 meter. Here we go. We're happening. We're getting into a queue. Okay, we got into a queue. Organizing going on. Now we're getting pushed into 1 meter, I think. Been half an hour now. It's really packed here, but we're at the front, so hopefully when we get in we'll be through quite quickly, but at the moment it's very packed. No 1 meter, no 1 meter spacing. Getting ready, people are getting their yellow codes ready. Maybe we're going through the gate now. Tempers are getting flared by that guy there. We got SWAT here as well. Can't see him, he's behind there, over there. Tempers are getting frayed, so let's hope there's not, when they open the gate, there's not a big rush, because you know, we could get trampled here. There's thousands of people behind me. Let's just hope that everybody's calm and collected. There's been a few shoutings going on, but don't know why. And it's probably because we've been standing here for 45 minutes. About. It was meant to open at 2. It's about 25 past 2 now. The sun is hot. People are getting a bit frazzled, I think, with the standing and the heat and the proximity of everybody else. Let's hope the gates open in a minute. They started letting them through, but yeah, there's a push from behind going on. That was a bit scary. Yep, it's getting heated and it's getting pushy from the back when they open the gate. SWAT guy. It's the SWAT guy. Well, I thought I was going in, but it's just blocked again. There's a lot of shouting going on. Cops. And we're just right by the gate. And it's hot. No water. So it's been an hour now. We've been waiting People have been pushing in. We got the SWAT guy there stopping all these guys who think they can jump to the front of the queue. We've had a bunch here who think that they can get to the front of the queue. Hopefully we'll get in soon. But, you know, just it's a waiting game, isn't it? It's a waiting game.
不好。这边进去了，进去了，我要跟你们吵架，我跟你讲，出去。
好，嘿，看 this one。
等一下进去我跟你
不好，不好。
那边一会儿来的。
一下就好了。
不好。We've been standing here. She jumped under the fence.
没看见你，我看到后面是一些个奶奶。
哎，那边不要让他们进去。
Okay, people are coming in now. We're in this big factory place. But there's only 2 queues. You'd think for the 3 million people there'd be about 6 queues, but maybe there are inside. But everybody's running. Run, 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 run. More queuing. Now we have to walk in through that door, up around here, and then down here. Everybody's running as if it's gonna, if it's a race. Oh, man. Well, maybe after all that standing, we need the exercise. But this only takes, you know, 10 seconds each, so pointless running. Another bunch under starters orders there. So in this big hangar of a building, here we are. There's quite a lot of people. Well, yeah, some are shorter than the others. Bit of line swapping going on. But there's 1, 2, I think 3 tables. This little grandma's been behind me all the way. I've been trying to protect her from the pushing crowds because she's so small. Looks a bit like Issa. So another queue. But these go quite quickly because it's like, you know, quick swab of your throat, boom, and that's it, you're done. Let's wait till we get there, huh? Okay, that's done. Let's go and find my wife and the bike. Now we're getting out. We're getting out. They got to stop people piling in.
Horrible, wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hooray, we're out. Oh man, it's a long way. Long way. Two queues, and there's queues that way. These people are going to be here a long time. By Shanghai, 25 million.
5 million.
25 million.
25, that's right.
Yeah, long time.
So just look like a disaster.
Yeah. They are going to stand here a long time.